Hey guys, this is Jerry, welcome to the channel. Today I'll show you the complete tutorial on the all-new MG ZS about the steering control, lights, and also wiper control. As always, you can find all the timestamps down below if you want to skip forward on YouTube. If you find my video helpful, the best way to support the channel is to subscribe and like. Don't forget, you can check the link down in the description for the new MG ZS tutorials. Now let's get started. Alright, this is how the steering looks like on the all-new MG ZS. Horn is in the center, push it down, just like that. On the right and on the left, there are some physical buttons. On the right, first thing, you can use this joystick to do two ways of functions. One way is to control the radio and music in the center. Up and down is to change the music volume, just like that. Left and right is to change the music. If you push this down, that means cancel or pause the radio or any other things that was playing, or push this down again, that will be resume the player, resume the radio stations. Another way to use this is to control the dashboard. You can press the menu button over here to engage that. Single press the menu, that means you can see the menu icon showing up on the top. You can then use this function to go left and right, up and down on certain screens, and also push down to reset or to OK or to select whatever you like. So that's how to use the joystick to control either the screen or the music in the center. And anytime if you press this again, menu icon is all gone. That's showing the time display. That means this will go back to the music and radio controls. Next one on the top, this is the phone connection button. You can press this to answer the phone call, or double tap or press and hold to hang up one of the phone calls. Then on the right bottom, you'll get these two star buttons. To change these two star buttons, you need to go into the screen, go into the vehicle setting, or swap the screen, go into vehicle. Under the vehicle, you can find convenience. Under the convenience, you can see left star and right star. Click here, you got different selections. On this particular vehicle, you can do vehicle control. That means if I tap this right now, it'll go to the vehicle control screen. Click that again, vehicle settings screen. Second one is the 360 camera. Press this, 360 camera will be engaged. Press this again, 360 camera is disengaged. Next one is called regenerative braking level switch. So right now you can see the region braking level switch is level 2, and then I press this, it'll go level 3, press this again, it'll go level 1. Next one is SRC, this means music source. Right now the music we are playing is on radio. Press here, it will go to Bluetooth, USB, or whatever. And once you have selected that, it will go Bluetooth, just like that. Press this again, it will go to USB music or radio, just like that. And last one you can select is AC mode. You can see left and right is all AC mode. So what you want to do while you're driving, press this, the AC screen will pop up. Once it's pop up, you can now use this joystick to actually control your AC from here. So up and down is to change the AC temperature, just like that. Left and right is to change the fan speed. I'm going right and left, just like that. You can also push down to switch off or switch on the AC, as you can see the lighter display. So that's how to use these function keys to do AC control on the right without going deep in the screen menu. Now you can personalize the left and the right functions individually, depends on what you like with the left and right star buttons. After that, the first button on the top is your voice command button. You cannot use voice command if your phone is not connected. So you have to connect your smartphone, which is Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, then press this. It will engage your Siri command or your Google Assistant, whichever is available on your phone. Next one is the cruise control function key. So you can use the cruise control while you are driving, or use this as a speed limiter while you are driving. So what you want to do, you want to go into the vehicle, go under MG Pilot. On the first line, you are able to choose between off, which is completely off, this thing does not work, or limit. If you select limit, it will show the speed limiter on the top. Press this, up and down, you can change your speed limiter. That means the vehicle will not allow you to go over a certain speed. ACC means adaptive cruise control. ICA, just a little bit more stronger adaptive cruise control with the steering adjustments. Anyway, either ACC or ICA, you can press this to engage. That means once you start driving on a certain speed, single presses will set at a certain cruise control speed. Up and down to change your speed, left and right to change the distance between you and front traffic. Again, I'll have another video to show you how it works on a POV drive video, like in the traffic. Anyway, that's pretty much all about the steering functions. Now, if we move to the left, it's going to be our light switches. Over the light switches, we can find indicators up and down. Alternatively, you can do a small swipe up and down. That means 3 flashes, just like that. If you wish to switch to automatic lights, you can just leave it on auto all the time. If you wish to switch this off, pull it back. Lighting system off, I'll pull it back again. That's active, that's off. So it will always bounce back anyway. After that, you can do manual parking lights. That means the front LED will be on, rear tail lights will be on. Otherwise, these will be a low beam at night, just like that. So low beam is on, you can see the light on the top. While your low beam or parking light is on, you can also switch the rear fog lights, which is only available on this vehicle. Switch that and it will bounce back. You can see the orange light means your rear fog lights is now on. Switch forward again, bounce back, means no rear fog lights. Otherwise, automatic, active, automatic lights will be selected. If you do wish to use the flashlight, pull it backwards and release flashlight. Or if you have your front headlights on, you can push this forward. High beam is always on. Push it backwards, high beam is off. Otherwise, you can leave this on automatic all the time. That means if you go to the lamps, you can actually find a thing called auto main beam. So your automatic high beam will be automatically switched on if you are driving in a dark conditions. So that's how to use the auto lights and auto high beam. Now move to the right, these are windscreen wipers. So you can change the windscreen wiper stock to change to different positions. Right now, let's say it's on off. Push it down, wipe front wipers once. Push it up, it's gonna be on automatic. That means once the rain sensor is built up, it's gonna wipe accordingly based on the front rain sensing. You can also twist this switch forward or backwards to change the rain sensing sensitivity. This is the lowest, this is the highest. Otherwise, leave on whatever you like. Then if you keep going up, it's gonna wipe at a low speed. If you keep going up, a fast speed at the end of the stock. Otherwise, drop all the way to O position, that's off. If you want to use the rear wiper forward, switch on the rear wiper and forward all the way and hold, wipe the rear wiper with fluids. Or if you're off, switch down and hold, will wash the rear wiper. To wash the front windscreen, pull towards the steering and hold for as long as you like, will wash the front windscreen. It's a very small detail. If you switch the wiper to either auto or on position, when you put the vehicle on reverse, your rear wiper will automatically wipe 3 times. And if you switch the rear wiper on, it's going to wipe 3 times first before it starts wiping in a set speed. When swiping on a set speed, when the front wiper is switched on, it will also kind of follow the front wiper based on the speed of the swiping. If the front wiper sensitivity is really high, it's going to wipe a little bit higher. If the front wiper sensitivity is low, it's going to wipe a little bit slower for the rear wiper. Alright, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed the content. If you do not forget to subscribe and like. That's the best way to support the channel. Do not forget to check the link in the description for the full tutorial on the all-new MG ZS. That's the end of the video. See you next time.